Hey, welcome to the Black Box Mind channel. On the agenda for today, a quick look at a super basic way of cleaning up audio for use in your videos. Let's go. Before we get started, don't forget to like the video and sub to the channel. I've put down the bottom of the screen the sections for the video. This will help you navigate to the content that you're looking for. You can go straight to the key points of the process, highlighted now, or you can play through the whole video to fully understand what I'm doing and why. Personally, I'd like it if you watch the whole thing, but hey, I'm not your boss, so do what you want. This video will show you how to take out quiet background noises or room noises. These would be relatively constant frequencies from the place that you're recording in. Disclaimer, this isn't going to work miracles on bad audio recordings. We aren't going to be taking audio from this to this. It's pretty good test audio. It's more for removing constant quiet room noises. So this way you can quickly get a cleaned audio track and get on with editing your next viral YouTube masterpiece. So first up, let's talk about the software. And the program that we're going to be using for cleaning our audio is a program called Audacity. A cool piece of software that has some really powerful functionality. And you know what the best thing is? It's absolutely free. You pay nothing. Zip, $0, baby. And you know what that means? That's more spare money for third-party plugins for your video editing software. You're welcome. It's available from audacityteam.org and you can get it for Windows, Mac and Linux as well. I got the Mac version because I've got a Mac, because I'm creative.
Well, Mac, I guess you are a little better at creative stuff.
Well, thank you.
Even though it's completely juvenile and a waste of time.
Once you've got this downloaded and installed, you can make a start. The first thing that you want to do is to open up Audacity and import your audio file. To do this, go up to File, Import, Audio, or use the keyboard shortcut Shift-Command-I. For me, when I film my videos, I record my audio on a separate audio recorder, this old Zoom H4n. It's an old bit of kit now, but I still get good audio from this sucker. Yeah, okay, it's fallen once or twice, but I like to think that this adds a certain, character to my audio. Anyway, after the shoot, I'll offload the video footage and audio, and then directly from the Finder, I'll right-click, Open With, then select Audacity from the list. This will open up Audacity with the audio already loaded up. Now that we have our audio in Audacity, it's time to pick the audio that we want to remove. In order to do this, zoom into a section of the audio that has just the ambient room noise. Then click and drag to select the area of the audio track. Ideally, you want this selection to be about 2 to 3 seconds long. Audacity will use this selection to pick out the frequencies to remove. Don't have any talking or dialogue in this section, just the background ambient room noise that you want to get rid of. Then go to Effects, Noise Reduction, and then select Get Noise Profile. To really make this technique work, there's one extra step that you can do when you're recording your video. Before or after you've recorded, just capture about 30 seconds of the room noise. Just sit there recording silently for 30 seconds. This room noise will be precisely for this step. You'll have a nice long area for selecting, giving Audacity plenty of material for doing its analysis. Pro tip, this recording of room noise is generally a pretty good practice to get into anyway when you're filming. There may be some circumstances in the future where you actually want to keep this room noise. It can help, fill in some dead spots in the audio. But I digress. Once you have your noise selection selected, you want to then apply that noise reduction to the whole audio track. To do this, hit Command and A to select the whole audio track, then go to Effect, back to Noise Reduction, and then this time hit the OK button. There are some settings that you can play around with here, but for me, I get great results just with the default settings. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Once you hit OK, Audacity will filter out the frequencies that were in your selection from the whole audio track. Depending on the length of your video, this process may take a minute or two, but you shouldn't be there for hours. Here is an optional extra step that I personally do for all of my recordings. Still with the whole audio track selected, I'll go back up to Effects, but this time down to normalize. And again, keeping the settings at default, I hit OK. Normalizing the audio like this will set a constant amount of gain to the audio recording. This will bring the audio to a target volume. There's a whole science behind this, but I'll let you do your own research. It's important to note that the normalization should be done after the noise reduction. Otherwise, you'll make your room noise louder before you clean it, in essence making your problem an even bigger one to solve. So don't do that, that's stupid. Now that you have your nice cleaned audio, it's time to export it. So go to File, Export, then select the format that you want. Personally, I like a nice tasty WAV file. You can even go full geek and enter in all of the metadata that you like, if that floats your boat. Then save the project in case you need to make some corrections further down the line. And you're done. Now you have a nice crispy clean audio track to add to your video. If you found this quick run through helpful, then like the video and comment on the video down below. And why not consider subscribing to the channel? I've got plenty more stuff on the way, so I'll see you in the next one.